What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And today, since you guys have really liked the truck content, one of the things that I've been asked is, well, TK, where can we find 2500s and 3500s really cheap? And there's a couple of different options, well, several different options. But today, we're going to look at the first option, which is IAA, or Insurance Auto Auctions. That's iaai.com. Some pretty interesting deals. Not a super long video. Consider this like a bonus video for you guys. And I'll probably drop it sometime in the morning or whatever, like it is today. We'll probably drop this as I'm going. I am on my way to the airport to deal with some family stuff, and I'm going to be out of pocket for a little bit. But like I said before, anytime I'm gone somewhere, I try to keep the content together. So I'm shooting a bunch of stuff so that you guys have content while I am out of pocket. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump directly into it. Let's go ahead and look at some of these different trucks and how much they go for. Some of them have buy it now prices. Some of them are brand new, clean title, no issues. Some of them are absolute disasters. So let's jump into it. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. Now, you guys asked where you could find very cheap 3500s. In today's video, we're going to look at IAA. That's Insurance Auto Auctions. You can find them at iaai.com. We're going to take a look here. We have a, what is this one? Look, did it roll over? Oof. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, that's a wrap. I mean, the engine and whatnot might still be good. 130,000 miles. Yeah, it depends. Not a runner, though, huh? Yeah, that's a negative. Here's an 11 3500 Laramie. New Orleans salvage from Michigan. Run and drive. A lot of rust on that front wheel. A lot of rust on that front wheel. Fenders are jacked up. Tail lights are gone. Look at that rusted out tailpipe. 228 service four-wheel drive. Jesus Christ. Wow. Well, it looks like somebody tried to strip it. And couldn't drive it, so they crashed it. Wow. Let's take a look at some of those photos, though, because like that rust, like this one right here, this rust was no punk, man. Look at that. See how the rust is on the wheel? Oh, yeah, there's rust on the fender, too. You can see it. Yeah, negative. Should have known the minute they said that the thing was Michigan. It was like, nope. Nope. All right, we got an 01. Now, I like this. This is a Repo. I like these body styles, but during this year, oh, it's not available for bidding, but during this year, this body style, during this generation, they had horrible transmissions, man. God, their transmissions sucked. Oh, we're on to the next one. 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie. Now, this isn't as, this looks bad, but this looks like it might be all cosmetic. Ooh, I don't know. Oof. It could be. Yeah, no airbags? I love that. I don't love that it's got 234,000 miles, but I know that's nothing if it's got the right transmission. If it has the ASIN, we're good. Door, fender, all the core components behind. It just depends on how bad it's damaged. It runs. Well, that's a positive. See, what's great about this is if you look and you don't have a problem looking enough, like look at this right here. 01 Silverado 3500 has 131,000 miles on it. What does that mean? That means not a lot of miles. I love this. The fender, the only thing that sucked about these back in the day, and my last big 3500 I had was I think it was an was a 90, was it a 99? It was either a 99 or a 2000, right before this body style 3500, and it had those plastic fenders too, and it sucked because, let me see if I can zoom in so I can show you. That's normal, but they would break. They would just break. They sucked, man. It was horrible. And I get why they did it. They did it to save weight and whatnot, but man, well, this thing only has 130,000 miles on it. Ooh, look at that ignition, like it's been messed with. It's a repo, so oh, it was a court order. Wow. Title brand court order. So they took somebody's shit for child support or something, probably. Sold their truck. Man, I would not want to be riding this around Atlanta knowing Billy Bob's gonna come wanted his shit back. Seems to run good. Alright, let's see if we can find anything else. That wasn't bad. A 3500 Tradesman. How many miles? I thought I saw it. 300 and something thousand? 343. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of miles, man. Somebody was hot-shotting the shit out of this. I bet the brakes are shot. Oof. Nah. Is that a 3500? Well, damn. You think? It says error. I like these Rams too. They were nice. 188,000 miles. Probably need some work. Alright, let's go down. See, the thing is, though, there's so many. This is what I like. Like, if you're not in a rush and you just have to have something like right now, if you just wait and you keep looking, you'll find something that you really want. You know? You'll find something that you really want. 2021 3500. What's up with this? Oof. Let's get on that side. Oh, wow. Huh. Well, I mean, for what it is, man, there's some decent. Well, here's one with 22,000 miles, runs and drives. See, now this is the kind of truck I'm talking about. You see this right here, 22,000 miles, runs and drives. What's the deal with it? Collision, front end, and left rear. So that, because of that, the crash on the crash bar, because of that little bend right there in the cow catcher and this back here, yeah, so because of this over here And that in the front, they totaled it. Wow. Boop. Very interesting. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of different decent vehicles, 3500s anyway, that are available. We can see if we can find one more. I love the ones where people see one that's got 300 something plus thousand miles and they freak out about it. See, I love this straight body. Oh, this doesn't have big fenders. It doesn't. Nice. Yeah, this would be right up my alley. 300,000 miles. People wouldn't rock with it. You know? My only issue at this point is how much rust is under the frame, right? It's in Denver. Sweet. Sweet. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section on some of the ones that we looked at today. I figured we'd look at a few just so you guys got an idea of what was out there, you know, what was available, and see what you guys think. Me personally, there's, I mean, some nice vehicles available. And like this one right here, which will be probably our thumbnail. But yeah, I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you saw anything that you guys really liked in today's video. Oh yeah, see that? That's oof. Well, let me know what you guys think. I showed you guys some new ones, some dealers, some ones that are available at auction. What do you guys think is the best deal? So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What I'm going to try to do is, especially where I'm going to be traveling, when I get the opportunity, if I do get the opportunity, I'm going to pop into a couple different yards where I'm going to show you guys, you know, some of those different options they have there. Very similar to what I do out here in Nevada when I jump into, you know, the different trucks and dualies and 2500s and stuff that are available. And evidently, that's trending on YouTube right now. Like, people are really digging big trucks. So I get it. I like big trucks too. I feel like I should make that like a Sir Mix-a-Lot song. I like big trucks. Anyways, I'm still trying to keep my sense of humor, even though I'm a little stressed about other stuff that's going on, man. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I want to wish everybody luck on their football tickets coming up this week. We have week 1 of the NFL coming up, and I'm excited to see what some teams are going to do. You know, I want to see what my Carolina Panthers are going to do against them Browns. And I'm definitely looking forward to see what, you know, my other squad does in New England. But I think from what I saw, it's going to be a pretty rough year. We'll see how it goes. And the hometown squad here, the Raiders, are in LA playing the Chargers, so it's basically like another home game for them. And I think the Raiders might win. Don't bet on it though. I wouldn't bet on it. I don't know. I'm just not sold on Derek Carr. We'll get into a whole football video sometime soon. But anyways, I'm looking forward to that. I'm happy that college football is back. There's lots of stuff to look forward to, and I have so much more content for you guys. So much stuff to do on this truck, and yeah, I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace.